Hi students, welcome to chemistry classes. In the previous class you have studied about the type of liquid solutions. Means there are two type of liquid solution. One is ideal solution. One is ideal solution, means solutions which obey Raoult's law at all temperature and pressure, and delta H mixing is equal to 0 and delta V mixing is equal to 0, and examples are chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, and ethyl bromide and ethyl iodide. These are the example for ideal solutions. And next type of liquid solutions, non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution means the solution which do not obey Raoult's law of vapor pressure at all concentrations. Okay, non-ideal solutions. Okay, here delta H mixing is not equal to 0, delta V mixing is not equal to 0 in a non-ideal solution. And today in this class we are going to start the non-ideal solution and their types. Okay, non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions means non-ideal solutions means, students, the solutions which do not obey Raoult's law at all concentrations. Here in non-ideal solutions there are non-ideal solutions there are two types. First one is non-ideal solution with negative deviations. Non-ideal solutions are of two types. One is non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution with negative deviation. With negative deviations. Okay, students, non-ideal solutions are of two types. One is negative non-ideal solution with negative deviations, and second one is non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions with positive deviation. With positive deviations. Okay, these are the two types of non-ideal solutions. So students, in non-ideal solution with the negative deviation, here intermolecular forces between A2 and B2 molecules are stronger than that of A2 and B2 molecules. In this case, intermolecular forces increases, volume decreases, and pressure becomes decreases, and heat is released. Okay, so students, here when intermolecular forces between in a non-ideal solution with negative deviation, it is important. These two are very important. Non-ideal solutions with negative deviations, here intermolecular forces between A2 and B2 molecules. A2 and B2 molecules are stronger. A2 and B2 molecules are stronger. So students, here in the non-ideal solution with a negative deviation, intermolecular forces between A2 and B2 molecules are stronger. Okay, A2 and B2 molecules are stronger than that between A2 and B2 molecules. A2 and B2 molecules. So students, in this case In this case, intermolecular forces increases. Intermolecular forces increases. Intermolecular forces increases and volume decreases. Volume decreases and vapor pressure also decreases. Vapor pressure also decreases and heat is released. Okay, the graph, okay, the non-ideal solution with a negative deviation, its graph is like this. So this is a pressure curve versus mole fraction curves. This is here XA is equal to 1, here XA is equal to 0. This is mole fraction line, here it is pressure, vapor pressure of a pure liquid. Okay, then the ideal solution curve is like this. Okay, and now non-ideal solution with the negative deviations. Here this is PA naught, here PB naught, vapor pressure of pure liquid B, and this one is PA, this is PB, vapor pressure of liquid A, vapor pressure of liquid B. So in the non-ideal solution with negative deviations, here intermolecular forces increases and volume becomes decreases. Here volume becomes decreases, means the curves shows like this. Volume decreases, means it is a negative deviation. Okay students, and now XB is equal to 0, XB is equal to, it's become 1. So hence students, here delta V mixing is equal to negative. Delta V mixing is equal to, it's become negative, and enthalpy delta H mix, it is also negative. Okay, and pressure delta P is equal to, it is also negative. Okay, delta V mix is equal to negative, and delta H mix is equal to negative, and delta P is it's also negative. Okay, so this is why the solution is known as non-ideal solution with a negative deviation. Okay, examples are chloroform and acetone, acetone and aniline. So example students, I will write here. Examples: chloroform and acetone, mixture of chloroform and acetone, and second example, acetone and aniline. So these two are the example for non-ideal solution with the negative deviations. So here PA is less than XA and PA naught, and PB, it is also same, PB is less than XB and PB naught. Okay, so this is about non-ideal solution with the negative deviations. Okay students, and next one is non-ideal solution with the positive deviations. Non-ideal solution with positive deviations. So students, here non-ideal solution with the positive deviations, here also same, it is exactly opposite to the non-ideal solution with the negative deviations. Here exactly opposite to the negative deviation. Intermolecular forces between A2 and B2 are weaker than the A2 and B2 B2. Okay, I will write it here. Intermolecular forces between intermolecular forces between A2 and B2 are weaker than A2 and B2 are weaker than A2 and B2 B2. In this case, intermolecular forces decreases, volume increases, vapor pressure increases, and enthalpy also increases. Okay, I will write it here. In this case, intermolecular forces decreases, and volume increases, and enthalpy it is also increases. Okay, so we can write delta V mix is equal to positive, delta H mix is equal to positive, and delta P it is also positive. Non-ideal solution with positive deviations. Delta V mix is equal to positive, delta H mix is equal to positive, delta P is equal to, it is also positive. Okay, so that's why it is called a non-ideal solution with positive deviations. So here PA is greater than XA and PA naught, and PB also, PB is greater than XB and PB naught. Okay, and examples, students, here examples of non-ideal solution with the positive deviations are ethanol and water, and benzene and acetone, and carbon disulfide and acetone, and ethanol and acetone. There are so many examples are there. So, and next graph, non-ideal solution with the positive deviation. Its graphs become, this is vapor pressure curve, this is mole fraction line, and now this is common line, and now non-ideal solution with positive deviations. Okay, this is vapor pressure of pure liquid A, here vapor pressure of pure liquid B, and here XA is equal to 1, here XA is equal to 0, XB is equal to 0, XP is equal to 1. Okay, mole fraction curve, vapor pressure curve. Okay, so now here positive deviation, here the curve becomes like this. This is, and it's also like this. This is PA, this is PB. Okay, so this is about non-ideal solution with the positive deviations, students. So here intermolecular forces between A2 and B2 are weaker than A2 and B2 and intermolecular forces decreases, volume increases, enthalpy it is also increases. Here delta V mix is positive, delta H mix is positive, delta P is positive. That is why it's called a non-ideal solution with the positive deviations. Okay, example for a non-ideal solution with the positive deviations are ethanol and water, benzene and acetone. So this is about types of liquid solution. They are non-ideal solution and ideal solutions. So about non-ideal solution, there are two types. One is non-ideal solution with the negative deviation. Second one is non-ideal solution with the positive deviations. These two are important for your theory examinations. Okay. Okay. Next concept, that is relation between Rolle's law and Henry's law. Next concept, relation between Rolle's law and Henry's law. Relation between Rolle's law and Henry's law. Relation between Rolle's law and Henry's law. So students, according to Rolle's law, the statement is, according to Rolle's law, the statement is vapor pressure of a volatile component in a given solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. Student, according to Rolle's law, vapor pressure of a volatile component in a given solution is directly proportional to mole fraction. Yes, that is P1 directly proportional to X1. Okay, or you can say P1 is equal to P1 naught and X1. Okay, yes. Okay, then second one, this is about Rolle's law, and next one is Henry's law. According to Henry's law, so what is the statement, students? Henry's law: in the solution of a gas in the liquid, the partial pressure of the volatile component is directly proportional to mole fraction in the solution. Okay, or you can write here, the solution of gas in the liquid, the partial pressure of the volatile component is directly proportional to its mole fraction. Directly proportional to its mole fraction in the solution. Okay, so you can write P1 is directly proportional to X1, means partial pressure of the volatile component is directly proportional to mole fraction, or you can write like P1 is directly proportional to KH X1. So this is the statement of Henry's law. Okay, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, it shows that Rolle's law is a special case of Henry's law. Rolle's law is a special case of Henry's law. Rolle's law is a special case of Henry's law, in which KH becomes equal to P1 naught. Okay, KH is equal to P1 naught. Okay, so this is important, students. From equation 1 and 2, Rolle's law is a special case of Henry's law. Okay, in which KH becomes equal to the P1. Okay, and this is about relation between Rolle's law and Henry's law. And the next concept is azeotrophs. Azeotrophs means, students, it is a binary mixture of a liquid having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase, in which boils at a constant temperature. Means it is made up of two components, in which the composition of a liquid or composition of molecules is same in liquid phase as well as in a vapor phase. Okay, the definition is, so azeotrophs means a binary mixture of a liquids having the same composition in liquid and vapor phase, which boils at a constant temperature, is called azeotrophs. Or diagrammatically you can observe here, this is a beaker containing binary mixture, and this is a lid, and at a constant temperature, the composition of binary mixture is same in its vapor state and in a liquid state. This is vapors. In vapor state or in a liquid state, its composition is same. It is called azeotrophs. Okay, its composition is same in liquid state as well as in a gaseous state, means vapor state. Its composition is same. Okay, it is called azeotrophs. It is one most important question. And here azeotrophs are of two types. One is minimum boiling azeotrophs. Second one is maximum boiling azeotrophs. One is minimum boiling azeotrophs, another one is maximum boiling azeotrophs. So student, in minimum boiling azeotrophs, here the solutions found by the solution which show a large positive deviation from Rolle's law. It shows large positive deviations from Rolle's law. Okay, example 95% ethanol solution. And here maximum boiling azeotrophs. Here in maximum boiling azeotrophs is formed by solutions that show large negative deviations. Large negative deviations.